making different types of bracelets. We started with beads, and we're using pipe cleaners. All of us are making patterns. I'm gonna do gold, blue, gold, blue. I like something with a little bit of flair. Purple, silver, purple, silver. I chose these colors because I was inspired by Anders. I'm really touched. It just makes me feel good inside. I really like it. Thank you. What Josie's doing is like the new type of jewelry.
I tied pipe cleaners together. I took the idea of a bracelet and I made my own original thing.
Right now, we're making friendship bracelets. We need to make the little tool that helps us make them. You see this empty space here? I'm counting 1, 2, 3, and then putting the string into the empty space. And then I'm gonna do the exact same thing for this empty notch. 1, 2, 3. And then you continue to do that.
The woven bracelet is gonna come out from the bottom.
I really like how it's turned out.
I think it looks very nice.
I think creative projects are really fun and awesome because it always comes out even better than what you imagined.
You can also watch full episodes and play Pinkalicious and Peter Pick games anytime on the PBS Kids video and games apps.